Our staff goes that extra mile to ensure everyone walks away happy and satisfied. It's part of our top-notch 5-star experience, and we're excited to share our latest rave review with you. We're always thrilled to hear about a happy experience with our company. We work hard to deliver 5-star top-shelf services to each and every individual. It's great to receive positive feedback since it's a fantastic confirmation that our focus on quality really is the best approach. We'll work just as hard to make you happy too, the best way we know how, by providing you with incredible service. Come and see us today. We're thrilled you had the chance to take a look at us. Thanks, and we'll see you soon.